Let's DIY some items for a St. Patrick's Day tier tray. For the first DIY, I picked up a rainbow sign from the Dollar Tree. I don't really like the colors on it. It's not traditional rainbow. So what I'm going to do is just DIY the back into a more traditional rainbow. This is actually a little harder than I thought. I guess anytime you freehand paint, it's going to be a little bit more challenging, but a rainbow is really easy. So I just did red around the outside, purple on the very inside, and then just do your rainbow colors. So orange, I was trying to let the color dry before I go in next to it with another color. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet for our rainbow. Super easy to do, and it looks more traditional like a rainbow that I would think for St. Patrick's Day. We're going to be doing several DIYs in this video to show you how I did a fun rainbow theme for St. Patrick's Day for my tier tray. I also went ahead and painted the outside of it red too, just to make it look better. Before and after, you can kind of see the difference. Theirs was more of a pink rainbow, but I love the shape of the sign. For the next one, I picked up one of these little Crocs from the Dollar Tree. It says date night on there, but I thought we could make a little pot of gold on this. It does say date night with paint, but it's easy enough to remove with some fingernail polish remover. So I went ahead and removed that so I could modify this for St. Patrick's Day. Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of St. Patrick's Day decor to craft with, but you can kind of make your own things like this. I'm just going to use a green paint pen and do a simple pot of gold on there. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then fill it up with some of their gold coins. These are the bigger plastic kind. I guess you could also use some of their smaller confetti coins as well. So there is our pot of gold. I'm going to sit that right in front of the rainbow on this tier tray. And then I found this great like jar sign. It says follow the rainbow at Dollar Tree. The only thing I wanted to do was change out the silver lid on it to gold since I had a lot of gold coins and treasure on my tier tray. But I love the fact that it says rainbow on there and it's going to go perfect with this rainbow theme for St. Patrick's Day. So just a couple of coats of gold metallic acrylic paint on that one. And this one is ready to go. I'm going to add this to the tier tray as well, and I will show you how the entire tier tray turned out, full of Dollar Tree DIYs. This is it, my rainbow theme for St. Patrick's Day. If you'd like more St. Patrick's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, you should check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting and happy St. Patrick's Day.